Icy with Misfire on the rocket. The first satchel and the rocket do not find their mark.
Yeah, by the way, Cat's still coming in on the flank. 100 Thieves just gonna wait for that to come online.
2v4 that they have to convert, and they cannot. 13-4, the way of 100 Thieves. And sure, it was on bind. Couple of headhunter bullets. The first one will go just off the mark, and Cryo wins the first duel.
Cryo brought a few friends to the fight. It's unfair. Now Evil Geniuses walk straight into Xander. First kill goes Supa's way, but it's not clear just yet because EG have the spike on the other side of the map.
And Cryo is still there, lying in wait. Cash tries to hold the line a bit. Does well to get that far. That's a spike on the ground.
30 seconds left.
And it's Cryo hovering over it. EG have made a bit of a mess of this round.
Cryo's moved all the way up into B main.
Teleport's ready.
He hears everything trampling forward. Like Clydesdale's clip runs dry, gets his 1-3 on the round. EU cleans it up. The pistol for 100 Thieves. The play, Evil Geniuses are all A, sure. But there's a whole lot of threat on the other side. You can only dash your way through so much. EU lights up the kill feed. 3 on the round, but Ye gets 3 of his own.
How is he?
He's upgraded to the Guardian as well. Kess is gonna arrive late to the party.
30 seconds left.
But Doug, Kess was on fire, on bind. This kid has looked so good at times.
Yeah, but does it carry over? Does the success he found on bind carry corrode? No.
Calling is going to be constantly to mix up those different ideas.
Well, that's already A dealt with.